Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a habit your friend has and you want to develop. So please.
Well, everyone have different kind of good habits. So here I would like to talk about one of my friends. She has so many good qualities and habits, and I really want to develop one of her habit in myself. That is, I really want to develop a habit that there are so many to help the different kind of poor and needy persons. So I decided, as we know that there are so many people around our society that they are unable to fulfill their monthly expense, and they feel the different kind of hurdles, and they can not face them their personally and financially. So I decided to go and develop a habit in myself. I will go in their houses and will buy some groceries on monthly basis, and will provide them. So in this way they can easily enjoy their life as the many different kind of special persons, and the different kind of normal people live their life. So in this way they can also enjoy the life and happiness of different occasions, and they can overcome their complexity that they are poor and they do not easily fulfill their requirements.
All right, thank you. 1 minute, 18 seconds. Overall, it's good. You spoke fluently. Just try to overcome this. This is just the habit. So after every second, third word, you say like that. Avoid that. And then try to use connecting words, signpost language.
Right,
Like,
sir.
for example, who your friend is. Like you say, first of all, I would like to tell you about my friend. She has been my class fellow, and we studied together throughout our school life, and even then in university we were together. So secondly, I want to tell you what the habit is, first of all. Secondly, finally, signpost language will improve the bench score as well, right?
Yes.
Now we move on to speaking part 3. What habits should children have?
Well, I think there are so many different kind of habits which should children have,
Which children
which
must
children
have?
must have. But here I would like to talk about they should get up early in the morning, and they never miss their school,
They
and
should never.
they should never miss their school, and they should complete their homework on daily basis. And the main important thing which they should develop is to offer prayer regularly without any kind of.
All right, this is good. Just try to use other connecting words as well. You're mainly using and. So,
Yeah.
and, additionally, furthermore, moreover, apart from this, not only this, but also. Use
Yes,
a
sir.
variety of words. That will
Okay,
improve
sir.
your pen score,
Thank
right?
you. Thank
Okay,
you, sir.
thank you.